Welcome to Jb Villar Channel. This video I will show you the difference between an aluminum door and the plywood door and the PVC door. The difference is that the aluminum door is more quality than the plywood door and the PVC door. The aluminum door has long lasting in water while the plywood door has fragile in water. The aluminum door is impervious to termites while the plywood door is easy to eat by the termites. We will replace the plywood door with an aluminum door because it rotted due to termites and will not last long in water if it is always wet. Aluminum doors holds water while plywood doors are a favorite for termites to eat. We have repaired many plywood doors that we replaced with aluminum doors because in less than a year they were rotted and eaten by termites. Installing an aluminum door is very easy and you can do it yourself instead of a plywood door that you still need a mason to bury the jamb in the cement. The price of aluminum door is different depending on the shop that sells it. Here at Jb Villar Channel, the aluminum door costs 5,000 pesos labor and materials. We also customized your aluminum door design depending on your preference. This plywood door price in the Philippines hardware is 2,500 pesos depending on the hardware. The price of an aluminum door is far higher than that of a plywood door, but the quality is very different, and when it comes to time, the plywood and PVC door will not work. This aluminum door is the best in your bathroom renovation ideas. Aluminum doors are also more durable than PVC doors that always fall off their hinges because the PVC door is brittle when it installed in less than a year. Gkaalam. Use the aluminum door instead of the PVC door or plywood for your bathroom so you won't have a headache with termites or rotting plywood doors and brittle PVC door. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to Jb Villar Channel for more videos. Gkaalam. Please like and follow my Facebook account Jb Villar. Thank you for your subscribe and support. Gkaalam. God bless.